Hey everyone, history had been made. Moments ago, Bitcoin shatters the $100,000 barrier, reaching a milestone many thought impossible. Alright, let me show you. This is crazy. This is not just a number, it's a defining moment in financial history. Stay tuned as we break down what this means for the markets, the economy, and yes, you. But that's not all. This is a moment to learn, to share, and to bring others along for the journey. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Satoshi Digest News Network. Today, December 4th, 2024, will be remembered as the day Bitcoin crossed it into six figures for the first time ever. The digital assets that begins its journey at a value of less than a penny now sits at an astonishing $100,000 per coin. Let it sink in for a moment. This milestone is not just about price. It's about opportunities to rethink wealth, to challenge the status quo, and to include everyone in the financial revolution. Let's explore how this moment could be a turning point for you and your community and the world. How do we get here? Let's take a step back and see how we arrive at this historic moment. Bitcoin has launched it in 2009 as an experiment in decentralized money. By 2010, it was worth just 0.01 cents. Fast forward to 2017, it hits $20,000 only to crash back down. In 2021, it reached $69,000 during the bull runs, but once again retreated. But this time is different. Bitcoin's journey to $100,000 per coin was fueled by a perfect storm of macroeconomic factors, institutional adoptions, and a growing recognition of its values as digital gold. Markets are in frenzy. Exchange volumes are breaking records as Bitcoin crosses this milestone. Institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest are doubling down, and retail investors are rushing in, eager to be part of history. In just the past 24 hours, over $10 billion in Bitcoins has been traded. The supply shock is real, guys. With only 2 million Bitcoins left on exchanges, demand is outpacing supply at unprecedented rate. This isn't just a price pump, it's a fundamental shift in the global financial landscape. Now, to those who just started their Bitcoin journey, congratulations. You're now part of a financial revolution. But here's the word of caution. Bitcoin is volatile. It's tempting to chase the hype. But remember the golden rule: stack sats, hold tight, and zoom out. Bitcoin isn't about short-term price, it's about the long-term potentials. And here's where you come in. If you already part of the Bitcoin community, this is your chance to teach others, share what Bitcoin is, why it's important, and how it can create opportunities for everyone, especially regular people like us. This isn't just about wealth for a few. It's about wealth for all. Spreads the message far and wide, guys. And make sure to be kind to skeptics. Remember, not everyone will understand Bitcoin at first. Some might even say no outright. That's okay. Take the time to explain. Be patient. Show them the possibilities they could be missing. This is a one-in-a-lifetime opportunities, and every person brought into the fold strengthen the network and the movement. Crossing $100,000 per coin isn't just a psychological milestone, it's a signal to the world. Bitcoin has officially transitioned from being an alternative asset to a core component of the global financial system. It's a direct challenge to traditional assets like gold and fiat currency. Consider this: if Bitcoins were a country, its market cap would now rival of that the top economies. And the best part, this is only the beginning. Analysts are already predicting the next target, $250,000 and even $1 million per coin. Nation states are paying attention. El Salvador lets the charge with its Bitcoin's adoption, and how countries like Morocco and Brazil are following suit. Russia has recognized Bitcoin as property, and whisper of the US Bitcoin's strategic reserves are growing louder. The era of Bitcoin as a nation state asset is here. On the institution side, companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Block are reaping the rewards of the Bitcoin's holding. Michael Saylor, who once called Bitcoin's digital energy, now hold over 400,000 Bitcoins on MicroStrategy balance sheets. At $100,000 per coin, that's a staggering $40 billion. So what happened now? Will Bitcoin stabilize, or we heading for even higher highs? Experts believe that we are entering a super cycle, a period where Bitcoin breaks away from traditional booms and bust patterns and enters sustained growth. With the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, institutional money is pouring in. Just 1% of global assets allocations into Bitcoin could send its price rocketing to $500,000 per coin, or even $1 million. The games has changed it, and the stakes have never been higher. To all new Bitcoiners out there, this is your moment. If you've been on the sidelines, now's the time to dive in. But do it wisely. Start small, learn the fundamentals, and understand that Bitcoin is about more than just price. It's about freedom, guys. It's about freedom, sovereignty, and a hedge against crumbling fiat system. To the Bitcoin veterans, take these opportunities to guide others. Be a beacon of knowledge and patience. When someone asks, what is Bitcoin? Don't just give them the answer. Show them the future. Help them see opportunities they shouldn't miss. Bitcoin breaking $100,000 per coin isn't just a financial milestone. It's a cultural and technological revolution. This is the dawn of new era, ones where individuals, not institutions, control their wealth. Whether you're an early adopter or fresh-faced newbie, you're part of something bigger than yourself. This has been a breaking news from Satoshi Digest News Network. Bitcoin has crossed over $100,000 per coin, and the journey is far from over. The question isn't whether Bitcoins will keep climbing. It's how far, how fast, and who will join us next. Remember, hold tight and stack it right. Take care.